We'll guide you through how to add photos to Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went on a trip or you went on holiday or something else has happened and you've got some photos and you want to go and put them onto Facebook. We'll guide you through how you can go and add them. So to go and get started with this, you want to come into the Facebook app as we are here and make sure there's full guides so you know what to do and the different options you've got, as well as different things you can do with the photos and adding them as well. So on Facebook, you want to go to the bottom left and you can press home, go to the top and you can then press what's on your mind, or press the plus in the top right and you can then go and press post. Now what you can do here is you can go and start typing in what's on your mind. So I could go and type in my holiday, let's say. Then you can press done in the top right. Now when it comes to photos, you need to go to the bottom left and you can go and press gallery like so, and it'll then go and open up. Go and choose the ones you want to go and add like this. After you've done that, you can go and press next in the bottom right like this. Now here they are. Now what's super key here is you can then go and choose the layout and go and change how they look. So you can press choose layout and you can then go and have columns or frames. So I could do columns or I could do a frame like so, and you can go and then press the edit button in the top right to go and change how they go and look like this. So you can go and adjust it. So that's it. Then when you're happy with it, you can go and close this and you can go and press post in the bottom right. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.